Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to connect your mobile device to your vehicle using Bluetooth. This is going to be a quick overview on how to use the Bluetooth, and today I'm at First State Chevrolet in Georgetown, Delaware on South DuPont Highway. Check out our many videos on our YouTube channel or visit us on the web at www.firststatechevy.com. So today I'm in a 2018 Chevrolet Traverse Premium. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is go to the center console right here, and as you can see, this is the front display. This is where we're going to get to connect to the Bluetooth. So you can see up here in the red icon with the phone, you're going to want to click on that icon, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then there's going to be some icons pop up on the menu: voice, contacts, recents. That's all going to pop up once you connect to the Bluetooth on the vehicle. So as you can see right here, we have no devices paired currently. We're going to go ahead and pair a device, and then there's going to be a pin that comes up. So it's going to say pair new device, start Bluetooth pairing with the handheld device, and there's going to be a pin that pops up. So what you're going to want to do is go on your iPhone or mobile device, click on the Bluetooth button, then you're going to go on the Bluetooth button area, and then you're going to go down to the Chevy MyLink. So the Chevy MyLink is going to pop up in the Bluetooth when you want to connect to a new device. You're going to click on the Chevy MyLink for this vehicle, and then it's going to pop up for a PIN number. Now you're going to want to input that PIN number on your iPhone or whatever mobile device you have, and then once you put the PIN number in, then it will connect you to the Bluetooth. Now I went into my phone and hit the pair device, and then it'll say to pair, and I click pair, and then this message will pop up on the center of the vehicle: pair new device. Then you'll go ahead and click the yes button right here. So I'm going to do that. And then what's going to happen is the PIN number on the vehicle and then the PIN number on your phone will be the same, and then you'll click yes to pair them. And then it will take a little bit to successfully pair it. And then you also want to click on your phone to sync all your contacts and everything, so that you can use the hands-free with the calling and everything. So you're going to want to sync that as well. And then this will pop up. It'll say my phone is connected, and there's my iPhone right there, and it's linked right up. And then we click on the phone tab. We have the voice activation. My contacts will be there, so all my contacts are right there. My recents right there, keypad to call whatever number I want, my voicemails, and my phone back there again. And then all of it will be voice activated. And when I come back in the vehicle, when I leave the vehicle, it will unpair. When I come back in the vehicle, it will pair again automatically. And also, if you want to disconnect your phone from the Bluetooth, all you gotta do is click this red button right here, and then it'll say disconnect Bluetooth device, and then I'll just click disconnect. And now it's not connected. And then I can also delete it from my memory too. So if you have too many phones on your Bluetooth on your vehicle, just click that right there, delete Bluetooth device, and it won't pop up again. So all you gotta do is click delete, and there you go, now it's gone. And that is it for this quick tutorial on how to use the Bluetooth and pair it to your mobile device. Come stop by First State Chevrolet, where we put you, the customer, first.